Right now, your assistant forgets who you are between chats. Today, we fix that. We give it a memory. After this, it will remember your name, your likes, and how you talk. It will feel like it truly knows you. Let's go. First, I will just ask what my name is. And in the meantime, I will show you how we can change it. So you have to go to your this PC. Then you will go to users, your username. Then you will come on this folder, OpenClaw workspace. You have this user profile here. You have to open it. And now here you can change it. Right now my name is as AI assistant. Then what to call AI assistant, you can ask it to call just assistant or AI. Then this is a time zone. Some notes I have given that I am an AI engineer. I start my day at 7 p.m. 7 a.m. My favorite coffee, flat white, and also some context that I'm learning Spanish, and I prefer meetings after lunch. So I'll close this. And if I go here, let's say, so here you can see it says your name is AI assistant. If I want to change my name, I can do that. I can just say update my name as statswire, and then I live in London, for example. I work as a teacher. I like short, friendly answers. My favorite coffee is black coffee. Now let me show you first. Again, I'll show you this. So you will see this will be replaced. This AI assistant and time zone and these notes will be replaced now. And here I will say one more thing. My name is Statswire. Call me Stats. Now let me press enters. Okay, it says the agent failed, LLM request failed, network connection error. I will send it again. Might be there is some network issue. And do you notice one thing when I paste it? Here it will also tell you how many tokens it will use. So, or the prompt that I am giving you has what size of token it has. So it is around 37 tokens. I'll just remove it. And if I just write hi, it is not showing any tokens, maybe because you have to write some long text, then only you will get to see your tokens. Now it is editing. You can see edit user.md. Name is statswire. Call me stats. Location is London. Work teacher. Coffee, black coffee. Let's go and verify from here. So I will open this. Now you can see it has changed. Name is statswire. What to call me stats. Time zone is Asia or Calcutta. Location is London. Work teacher. Starts day at 7 a.m. Favorite coffee is black coffee. Learning Spanish. Now let's go and ask some question here. I will say good morning. What should I get from the coffee shop? And use my name. So it should call me stats, and it should say that I like black coffee. It says good evening stats. Since you are a black coffee fan, you can't go wrong with it. Espresso, bold and classic. And then these are the different varieties of coffee. any of those hit the spot, what sounds good. So you can see it remembered my name and also my choice, what I like. So today we gave our assistant a, or you can say a user profile or a memory. We wrote details in our user.md and it remembered us right away. We even asked it to save new facts on its own. In the next video, we will work it on a schedule like morning briefing every day. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.